Hello everyone. So this video is going to be on child abuse. Child abuse is intentional or unintentional behavior that causes harm, hurt, or discomfort on children. So there are different uh, types of abuse for children. There is physical abuse, which is hitting the child, directly hitting the child that is causing pain or injury on that child, just like flogging or pushing or pulling very hard that causes, or hitting something on the child face to face that causes injury on the child, or maybe trauma on the child. Another type of child abuse is psychological abuse. It's also called emotional abuse, where you abuse the child, not physically this time, but because of the utterances, verbal abuse, because of your utterances towards this child, or the things you do to this child. Usually, psychological abuse is always connected to other variations of child abuse. Another one is child sexual abuse, which has to do with penetration or non-penetration sexual abusing of children. And another type of child abuse is discriminating abuse. When the child is being discriminated, maybe in case of racism, or in case of maybe this child is, because you are from a royal family, we hear you before we hear those that are not from royal family, or because you are from a poor background, you don't have a say in the classroom, in the society, or any other place that you may find yourself in, any gathering. So that is also a discriminating abuse. So another kind of abuse is the neglect, child neglect, where a child is being neglected by his own parent or a caregiver. It can be the parent, it can be a caregiver that neglects such child, when the child is being abandoned or neglected. So we call that kind of abuse child neglect abuse. So in our subsequent videos, we'll be talking about these variations of child abuse. Thank you.